Hello again. Over 100,000 people turned up in central London for the Unite the Kingdom rally organised by Tommy Robinson today. There are claims that as many as over 1 million people were present, but we'll have to see how that's being calculated. At any rate, it has been a great success, and it was spurred on by the death a few days ago in the United States of Charlie Kirk, whose name was shouted by the crowds today. I want to talk about one aspect of this event which some viewers have perhaps missed, and that is that the Metropolitan Police deployed Israeli armoured personnel carriers. These are Sandcats, manufactured in Israel by Plazan, and they hold 11 men. I was going to say 11 soldiers, but in this case, 11 officers of the Metropolitan Police. They can withstand close-range fire from a Kalashnikov assault rifle, and the claws are designed to be able to deflect the blast from an improvised explosive device. Viewers might have seen these vehicles being used in army operations in Gaza, but why the Metropolitan Police should feel the need to use them on the streets of London is an interesting point. One of these vehicles, in the Met's own livery, may be seen in the thumbnail to this video. The police acquired 18 of these armoured cars this summer, and a number of questions have been asked about them in the London Assembly. I give a link to these inquiries in the description to this video. I also give a link in the description to the video to the Wikipedia article about the Sandcat, in which we read that firing ports for the crew are standard. Have a look at the thumbnail to this video or the Wikipedia page, and you'll observe there is a little round port in the side of the vehicle. This is so that somebody inside can poke a rifle through it and fire at a crowd, or perhaps engage with a sniper. These vehicles were spotted today, and the question which is exercising my mind is why on earth would the police in London think that they might need to shoot at crowds in the English capital? Why did they acquire armoured cars, and what are they anticipating using them for? The only conclusion to which I can come is that they are preparing for a situation where they feel that they may have to shoot at demonstrators in London. There can be no other reason for buying these things from Israel and then using them on the streets as they are today. It looks to me as though the Metropolitan Police are preparing for urban warfare, low-intensity operations of the kind undertaken in the past by the RUC in Northern Ireland. This is a chilling thought, and I cannot help but wonder how many people watching this video knew about all this. Then, too, there is the marvellous irony that responsibility for the Metropolitan Police, and that stuff like its budgets and so on, what they buy, lies with the Mayor's Office for Policing and Crime, which is led by Sadiq Khan, the Mayor of London. You have to find it funny that at a time when everybody is condemning Israel for their actions in Gaza and calling for boycotts of Israeli imports and so on, that Sadiq Khan authorised the purchase and importation of 18 of the very vehicles being used by Israel in Gaza, so that they could be used against the citizens of London. You really can't help laughing at this idea.